Hello YouTubers, Manny here from Manny's How To Workshop, and welcome back to this 3 to 4 part series on how to clean the intake, the injectors for my 2013 Kia Rio. Alright, on the last video I showed you guys the methods and what it was looking like when I was using just the brake clean with some brushing, some scraping method. Well, here's the end result. Okay, I'm going to show you, this is cylinder 4. And if you can see in there, it actually came out pretty good. I mean, that is about 90, I would say 97, 98% really clean. And that's just from, like I said, spraying it down, brushing it. And then you saw that I used the drill with the brush attachment. And I then came back and just used a little pick to kind of scrape right at the very bottom of the valves. Okay, where the valve actually seats. All right, so this is cylinder 4. You can see that it actually came out pretty good. I mean, very good actually. Let's look at number 3. Number 3 also, after, like I said, doing the same thing, applying the same method, you can see that it actually came out very good. Okay, so I'm gonna stick with this right here. I'm not gonna even do the whole walnut blasting, okay, because this here, as you can see way down in there, is very clean. Okay, and that was just brake clean, letting it sit for about 10-15 minutes, and then using the drill with the wire brush attachment and coming back and just scraping down a little bit of the extra pieces that was still there. And here's number 1, same outcome. And after I did all that, I dried it out with some paper towels, and then I took some compressed air and just blew out every little bit that I can think of that would, possibly get stuck in there, or when the valves are open, it would go down into the combustion chamber, which actually happened here in number 3. I sprayed it down. I guess the valves weren't closed all the way, so some of that brake clean went down into the crankcase, but that's all right, because I'm going to change the oil in this before I crank it up and start it up, okay? Because, that brake clean that went down in there will probably just break down the oil a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and change the filter and oil anyway. I was planning on doing it anyway, but before I, like I said, start it all up, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to zoom you guys back out again. Here, just give me 1 second. And I'm going to show you what I'm going to be doing over here on the side, which I told you guys I was going to do, and that is to clean the injectors themselves. So I have this little portable, that's my motorcycle battery. Right now it's off my bike, and I keep it charging it. And here's the ultrasonic cleaner that I told you guys I got this from Amazon, and the fuel injector tester right there, got that also from Amazon. That actually came in a kit, which is right here. Okay, they gave you a couple of different connectors, a little tool, a little wire cutters, some instructions, some little brush kits. Came with a little voltage tester. This is a tire gauge tester. It was just a kit, like I said. This, I don't know what it's for, but I'll figure it out. And then some gloves, cheap Chinese, but what can you do? For like less than 20 bucks, right? But anyway, so my next steps is to go ahead and get these guys here all cleaned up, because you can see how crusty they are right on the ends, right there. You can see pretty bad. Same thing with this one, all clogged up. Now I tried using the method I seen on YouTube, which was to take some brake clean, set you up like a little makeshift connector where this little tube connects to the can, and then this fuel line right here will connect to like right there. So you would put it over that, clamp it down, spray it, and then connect this to that, and then pulse it, because this has like 4 settings. You can choose 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 1 is short, that's 1 pulse. 2 is medium, it's like 2 pulses. 3 is like, it gives it like many other pulses, and 4 is continuous. So you put it on continuous and you squeeze the can, and it pulses these to open and close, and then you get your spray pattern. But because these come from a high pressure system, I'm wondering if the pressure in the can is not high enough to activate the the valve inside. I know this is pulsing, but technically it should be going through. And I can't believe that these are all clogged. So what I'm gonna do, you see I already got 2 in there. I'm just gonna put them in there. I'm gonna hook up the tester one at a time, put it on continuous, and then this is already set for 3 minutes. That's 180 seconds. 3 minutes. I'm gonna use this parts cleaner. This is not caustic. I'm gonna pour that in there, hook it up one at a time, and then run it for 3 minutes apiece. 3 minutes on that one, 3 minutes on that one, and then see what we get from that. Okay, so let me go ahead and hook this up, and I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I got the tester set on mode 4. Okay, and there's a little indicator there, the green light right there shows that it's pulsing, and you can actually hear it. See, the timer already started from 180, and I don't know if you can see it, you can hear it, but when the ultrasonic machine works, right now I got the level between the minimum and the maximum. As long as the cartridge works, it's gonna be fine. But it's already doing its magic, because right now, because of see all the black stuff on the bottom. Right now, it's open and closing the valve inside, and that should help with cleaning the inside. I'll be back with the next one. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what it looks like just after 3 minutes. Alright, so I don't know if you can see the difference, okay, between these two. So after 3 minutes, let me get a little pointer here. Okay, so after 3 minutes, you can see that all the whole body, because this part right here is all submerged. Okay, from where the connector is, right there, it's submerged. So it's cleaning it pretty good all the way across, and you can see the comparison right there between that one and this one. Now on this one here, okay, it's still kind of dirty on the tip. All right, as you can see that it's still got a ring of carbon on there, but I'm gonna hit it again a second time. So of course, if you need to do it more than once, obviously the longer you do it, the better. Okay, so this one's gonna get completely submerged in there. As you can see, I just dropped it in there, and then now the other one's gonna get turned on right here, and I'm gonna start the timer again. So I'm gonna go ahead and start. There's the pulsing. Start okay. This is the same process I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep doing. So I'll probably do 2 on each one, and then do the same thing for these 2, and then just keep doing that until they come out really clean until the front or the tips. Okay, as you can see, like on these, for example, is really freaking filthy. All right, I'm gonna keep hitting them until they come out really clean, like where the metal looks like that, nice and shiny again. All right, but And then I'll just go ahead and keep this battery charging overnight too, so it doesn't run out of power. Alright guys, so that's the trick on how to go ahead and clean these guys with GDI injectors. Make sure that, you know, you're doing you know, a nice complete job by cleaning this right here. Oh, also I forgot to show you guys that I actually cleaned the fuel rail as well. Okay, I don't know how good you can see that, but I cleaned this one really good, brake clean, toothbrush all the way around. And I also cleaned this right here. This is part of the intake with the brake clean down in there and on the other side. And what I'm going to do is a final video after I reinstall everything and clear all the codes and then see how the car is running. Alright, as always, thank you for watching. Please rate, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so. Go back and watch the first, second videos, and I'll catch you guys in the next time. And don't forget to hit the bell notifications so you get notified every time I upload some new videos. Thank you, and I'll catch you next time.